Jellyfish, often misunderstood sea creatures, are fascinating beings that grace our oceans with their gelatinous glory. These aquatic wonders are not fish, but a type of free-swimming marine invertebrates, related to corals and sea anemones. They are found in all the world's oceans, from the Arctic to the Antarctic. Jellyfish bodies consist of three main parts: the bell, the tentacles, and the mouth. The bell is the round, umbrella-like structure that gives them their name. The tentacles trail from the bell, and the mouth is located at the underside of the bell. Jellyfish are primarily carnivorous, feeding on tiny organisms like plankton, small fish, and other invertebrates. They have a unique digestive system that allows them to digest their food outside of their bodies, a process known as extracellular digestion. Their ability to survive in a wide range of conditions is due to their simple body structure and lack of a central nervous system, making them one of the most resilient ocean dwellers. They have no hearts, brains, or bones, yet they can move with incredible grace and agility. Jellyfish use their tentacles to catch prey and stun it with nematocysts, tiny, venom-filled structures. These stinging cells can be very painful to humans, causing a burning sensation if they come into contact with your skin. Jellyfish play a crucial role in the ocean ecosystem. They help control the population of small marine organisms, and their decomposition contributes to nutrient cycling. Some jellyfish even have a symbiotic relationship with other marine creatures, such as the sea slug Stylopsis, which lives inside the bell of a jellyfish and feeds on its waste products. Jellyfish have been fascinating humans for thousands of years. They have been depicted in ancient art, and their venom has been used for medicinal purposes. They are also a source of inspiration for scientists, who study their unique biology to better understand evolution and marine life. In recent years, the population of some jellyfish species has increased significantly, leading to what is known as jellyfish blooms. These blooms can have devastating effects on local ecosystems and economies, as the sheer number of jellyfish can clog fishing nets, disrupt tourism, and even cause power plant failures by blocking water intake systems. So, next time you come across a jellyfish in the ocean, take a moment to appreciate these fascinating creatures and their vital role in the underwater world. Just remember to keep a safe distance, as their sting can be quite a surprise.